13 ampere plug. Advantages of a 13 ampere plug. Main types of plugs. How to wire a 13 ampere plug. What is a 13 ampere plug? The 13 ampere plug is a 3-pin AC power plug used primarily in the United Kingdom, Ireland, Malaysia, Singapore, and several Gulf countries. It was engineered to handle single-phase electricity up to 250 V and a maximum current of 13 amperes. Key safety features and advantages. The 13 ampere plug did not become legendary by accident. Its design is packed with clever mechanical and electrical safety measures. 1 built-in fuse. 2 insulated pin sleeves. 3 longer earth pin. This serves 2 vital roles. A grounds first. B opens sockets shutters. For the unpullable cable entry. Main types of plugs. While all 13 ampere plugs follow the exact same pin layout to fit standard sockets, they generally fall into 3 design categories. 1 rewirable plugs. 2 mold non-rewirable plugs. 3 insulated shutter opening device plugs. How to wire a 13 ampere plug step by step. Wiring a standard rewirable 13 ampere plug requires following the International Electrotechnical Commission (IEC) color coding rules. As seen in the technical diagram. Brown equals live L. Blue equals neutral N. Green-yellow stripe equals earth E. Remove roughly 3 cm, 1.2 inch of the outer plastic protective sheath from the power cable using a wire stripper. Make sure you do not nick or slice into the colored inner wires. Leave the green-yellow wire the same length, then shorten the blue wire by 4 mm and the brown wire by 4 mm. Remove approximately 10 mm of colored insulation from the ends of the brown, blue, and green-yellow wires. Wrap the exposed copper wires tightly to ensure no stray strands touch the terminals. Open the plug cover and loosen the terminal screws. Insert all 3 wires into the cable grip, along with the thick white cable, so that the grip can be securely fastened to the thick white cable. Unscrew the 3 screws to allow the wires to enter the holes. The brown live wire goes into the hole on the right, connected to the fuse. The blue neutral wire goes into the hole in the bottom left, when the 3 pins of the front of the plug are facing away from you. The green and yellow wire is the earth wire, and goes through the middle up to the hole in the top. Put the back of the plug back on once all the wires are in and tight, and all the screws are securely done up. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos related to electric technology.